Hello, sweet friends, and welcome to Carol's Craft Cottage. For today's video, I have a project share for you using the Easter mini album die. Of course, I used several other dies to go along with that, which I will share. I will have affiliate links to the dies in the description box below to make it easy for you to shop. Affiliate links do not cost you anything extra, and they do help me and my channel. You can also use Carol10 at checkout for 10% off your order. So let's go ahead and look at the dies that I used in this project. The first one is called the Flower Circles. This die comes with two sizes, and I used the small one in this die set. I used the bunny bows, and again, I used the small bunny bow in this die set. Then I used this one, which is called the Easter ribbon slider. This one is great to have on hand when you make mini albums because it is so awesome for decorating and embellishing your mini album. And the one being featured today is the Easter mini album die. This die comes with 3 pieces. It comes with the word Easter, a stitched die, and then your your page die that you build your album off of. Okay, before I show you my project, let me just say, if you are new or this is your first time here, my videos feature lots of paper crafting ideas and tutorials. If this is something you enjoy, won't you consider subscribing? I'd love to have you back. And for all my returning friends and subscribers, welcome back. You mean the world to me, and I appreciate your support and comments. So here is my cute Easter mini album. This is so sweet. I love how this came together. And of course, I bound mine. There are holes in this, so I bound mine with some rings that you can get at the Dollar Tree. So here is the small bunny bow. And I just had to use this in this album because it is so cute. And I like the way when you stand this up, you can see the little bunny ears sticking out. So I strategically placed the bunny bow so that the ears would be popping out. And then I just used some stickers to decorate the word Easter. And you can layer your pieces. I did keep the cut out letters to use in this mini album. So this is my cover. So I do want to say that this does not come with a reverse stitched piece, so do remember that when you're going to cover the back page like I did, is to cut your paper on the back side. So you would flip it over to the white side of your paper if you don't have double-sided, and then use your die to cut it so that your piece will fit onto the mini album base. So you can see here that I have a place for 2 pictures, and I used some stickers that I've had in my stash forever. These came from Michael's a long time ago, and they just look so cute in this mini album. Then on this side, I created a pocket, and how you create a pocket is you are going to cut 1 piece to cover your mini album, and then cut a second piece to create your pocket, and cut it down to how large you want your pocket. That's how I created this. And then my paper had some little cutouts, so I just cut them out to put them in my pocket. And they just slide just like this. And I used this one is called the flower circle. This is the small flower circle. And I did not use the embellishments to embellish the flowers because I like the way the gold looked around this little chick sticker. And then this is the Easter ribbon slider, and I just layered the pieces. You get 4 layering pieces with that die. You get the doily piece, as you see here, and then there are 2 pieces that you can cut on designer paper, and then you get this one to use your stamp on. And the stamp comes with the words, and I used it several times in this mini album, so you'll see it. It comes with the words Easter, greetings, let's go hunting, hello, spring, he is risen, have a happy day, seek and find, you crack me up, as you see here, and bunny kisses. So I will have this out because I love this die. I'll be using that one again. So go on to the next page, and you can see that I have these 2 little pieces that flip up to put pictures in, and I just put some stickers on that. And then here you can see that I kept the Easter words to embellish this little open type of mechanism here in the mini album for pictures. This is the sticker from Michael's from a long time ago. This is a Cottage Cuts little chick die that I had, and also that is a sticker. We'll go to this side, and here I have Hello Spring, and this is the same Easter ribbon slider. So how I created that is this unties, and this holds my slider, not slider, but my waterfall together. So all of these just open up like this. So you have lots of room for little pictures in here. And there are 2, 4, 6, there are 8 sliders on here. And then this just goes over the top, and then you tie this to keep the waterfall closed. So as you can see, I used that ribbon slider again. Super cute. Here I have another place for a picture. And I had this sticker that said spring I put on there, and I had to use the bunny bow again. And this is just a sticker I had in my stash for a long, long time. I can't tell you how long I've had them. Probably 15 years or more. So here's another idea for our page. I made another flip up. This one goes like this. And I didn't put a magnet in that one. Some of these I do have a magnet. This is just a sticker set that I had for a long, long time. And that as well. So here I have Easter again on a pocket. I love using the letters to decorate my mini album. And it's great to do it with a pocket or something that flips up so that the letters don't get in the way. But I saved the foam that popped out and used it in the mini album. And here I put more cutouts from the paper in the pocket here. So that makes a nice little page for your mini album. And I did a sticker there, and you can see that I did use diamond dots in this project. Then we'll go on to this page. And this one is one that I did use a magnet in. This is a Cottage Cuts die I've had forever. And this one opens like this for more pictures. Really cute. You can get creative with your little opening mechanisms inside your albums when you have different shapes. And I really like the way this one looks. I think it's cute. And then on the last page, I have an Easter egg on this little waterfall, and I put a bunny bow on top, and this says, let's go hunting. And this would be a great place to put pictures of Easter egg hunting in this waterfall. And this one is 6 pages long that I did. So lots to do with this mini album. I just was giving you some ideas to put yours together. And then this just ties up. And I'll show you the back in a second here as I make a little bow. Keep this all together. And that is the back page. If you want to, you can do your backs of your bunny bows. And that would be cute too. So I hope you enjoyed this project. It was sure fun sharing it with you. Remember to sprinkle kindness like confetti wherever you go. And until the next video, happy crafting. Bye-bye.